Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you to replace the clutch motor on the Samsung washer. You'll need a 10mm socket. Let's get started. The clutch motor shifts the clutch between the agitate and spin cycles. When the clutch fails, the washer may not agitate or spin properly. It may also cause a grinding noise if it's unable to fully engage. When the clutch is disengaged, the rotor should spin easily and only turn the pulsator. With the clutch engaged, the rotor should turn harder and the entire inner basket should spin. For this repair, disconnect power and water supply to the washer. The clutch motor is located on the bottom of the washing machine, so you'll need room to tip it on its back. Before tipping the washer, make sure that all the water is drained and tape the lid closed. With the machine tipped on its back, the clutch motor is located here. First, remove this pin by pulling on it. Then, slide the retainer off the clutch. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab and pulling it out. This may require some force. Now, remove these two 10mm bolts and pull the clutch motor off. If you need a new clutch motor, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washing machine to make sure you get the correct part. The new clutch motor does not come with the plastic retainer, so you'll need to transfer that from the original part or order it separately if needed. To install, align the motor on the tub, then start the bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading and tighten down. Next, reinstall the electrical connector by aligning it and pushing it until it snaps in place. Then, slide the retainer over the washer clutch and reinstall the pin. With everything put back together, test the washer out to make sure that it's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.